I find it amazing how I just took a photo by accident and how bright I look in video. So you've been hearing lately how DJI is not doing great and Insta's doing great, how Insta's not doing great, and how DJI is doing great. So I gotta go pick up some stuff and get stuff and bring stuff. Are you getting stuff? Watching the plane come in. And I'm not going there today. I'm staying here today. Let's walk in, get to where we need to be at before that delivery truck comes to me. I gotta get some dirt. Indoor potting mix, not seed starter, potting mix. Is this indoor potting mix? So here we are, indoor potting mix, indoor. $750. I don't have to install it for $800. That's what I want. All right, I ordered my 2 propanes. It's pretty quiet, so I'm gonna come and go get it. Get my car, bring it on over. So as I get to my car, where's my car? Did my car go somewhere? Oh yeah, in the car I go. Oh, my car stopped. Don't forget my camera. Get my propane. Can't put the camera on the people I respect. And yeah, I got my propane and off I go. Yeah, what a talk we had, man. Let's get going. Man, that's like an airplane. I got some video going for the passengers in the back. Yeah. Now, yeah, you see the fish back there? I do. You know what's wrong about this? 30 frames per second. 30 frames per second is not supposed to flicker anything. That's the anti-flicker thing. And that's wrong with my camera. Maybe your camera works perfect with 30 frames per second. Time to change to 24 frames per second. I gotta go over some bumps, but it's better than going straight and being with everyone. Let me turn my camera around so you get to see the view of the sun trying to come up and the sleeping policeman. Man, the funny thing about this is I'm on an angle. I'm gonna turn, take a shortcut. I'm not going straight. I'm gonna make a turn. I'm gonna make another turn. Look at all these people parking their cars, man, in the turn. Well, I started out talking about DJI. I started in the middle about getting to what I need to get. And I got the stuff I needed, but one thing wasn't priced, and I left it behind. So off I go and finish what I need to finish. Why did you get a camera? Why are you not shooting? Why are you not having fun and getting the shots you want to get and share it to the world? Well, I am Fish, and I'm gonna put you away because it's gonna be a snowy day. Why capture a flake when you got the flake? Have a great day.